Let's talk about essential settings in Dubsado. Configuring these settings first will help you get the most out of your Dubsado account right out of the gate. You can access your settings by clicking your username in the bottom left corner, then selecting Settings. The page is organized into 3 sections: client-facing brand settings for how your business appears to clients, general brand settings for operational configurations, and account settings for login, billing, and notification settings. Head to the Emails tab, and we can get started with the most important setting, getting an email account connected. Connecting your email here lets you send unlimited emails directly through Dubsado. You can connect Google accounts, Microsoft accounts, or use SMTP for other providers. Let's connect a Google account by clicking Continue with Google. Select your account and grant all necessary permissions. Once connected, you can enable a tracking pixel, which monitors email opens. Below that, you can set up your email signature using the editor. Next, let's tackle payments. Click Payments in the sidebar to view our integrated payment processor options. Dubsado Payments powered by Stripe is your most robust option, offering ACH with AutoPay, Klarna, and Affirm Afterpay options and surcharging capabilities. Click Get Started to begin setup. Alternatively, click Show Other Processors to connect Square instead. Note that you can only use Dubsado Payments or Square, not both, though PayPal can always be added as an additional option. With a payment processor connected, your Dubsado invoices will display a Pay Now button that allows clients to pay you quickly and easily. Head back to client-facing brand settings and click Business Info. Here you can verify your brand name, business email and phone number, and you can set your locale for proper date and currency formatting. Finally, click Styling to upload your logo and set your brand color. Your logo appears on invoices and throughout Dubsado, while your brand color creates consistency across form buttons and email links. With an email connected, payments configured, business information set, and branding in place, your Dubsado account is ready to take on anything.